Hello and welcome to EnglishLogica's Collocations series. In these videos, we will give you 10 collocations with popular verbs that will help you expand your vocabulary in English. In this video, we will look at collocations with the verb draw, their meanings, and examples of how to use them correctly in a sentence. Our first expression is to draw in a crowd or draw in an audience. To draw in a crowd means to attract the attention of many people and make them interested in what you are saying or presenting. The premiere of the new sci-fi movie really drew in a crowd to the cinema. It's important when you're giving a presentation to draw in the crowd by asking questions. The magician's show was excellent. He really knew how to draw in the audience. Or you could draw a conclusion. To draw a conclusion means to come to an agreement or to reach a decision. One can draw a conclusion after examining the data that investing in female-led startups is proven to deliver excellent returns. We should be careful not to draw too many conclusions based on one market survey. If you want to highlight something, you could draw attention to it. To draw attention to something means to attract attention or invite to look or examine. I'd like to draw your attention to the excellent facilities in our hotel, including a luxury swimming pool. Draw criticism. If you draw criticism, you are the subject of negative feedback or inviting criticism of your work. If we don't work on reducing our carbon footprint, we will draw criticism from others in the industry. Draw towards or drawn towards. An idea or a method. When you are drawn towards something, such as an idea or a method, you are in favour of it or in support of it. I have to admit, I'm drawn towards the Finnish educational policy of not making children do any homework. When buying a new car, I'm always drawn towards Japanese imports. Draw to a close. When something draws to a close, it comes to an end or finishes. Usually it's used to talk about an event or a meeting. I think it's time we draw this meeting to a close. It's getting on 10 p.m. As the Olympics draw to a close, we take a look at the countries that performed better than the rest. Draw guidelines. To draw up guidelines means to agree to procedures or rules to follow in the future. Or it could refer to creating a template or an outline to follow. With the new government policies in place, it is important for us to draw up guidelines to ensure health and safety in the workplace. I'm going to draw a guideline first before I cut the material to make the dress. Draw a line. To draw a line means to put in place a boundary or a limit. I believe in disciplining my children, but I draw a line when it comes to harsh punishments. I am a very loyal employee, but I draw a line when it comes to excessive overtime. Draw out an idea. To draw out an idea means to allow or encourage an idea or thought to develop or to expand on it. Why don't we brainstorm and see if we can draw out ideas about how to use the new space? Our marketing campaign isn't performing very well. We need to draw out some new ideas for the next season. This is similar to the expression draw up a plan, which means to create a plan or agree on a course of action. Can you draw up a plan to tender for the new client? I need to study a lot this term for the exams in July. I'm going to draw up a plan and stick to it. They are some of the collocations you can use with draw. There are, of course, loads of others. Can you think of any? Let us know in the comments. And you can use our mind map to help you revise and to remember these collocations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more collocations, expressions and videos, or visit www.EnglishLogica.com to expand your vocabulary and join our online community of English learners. See you next time.